Here?
Yeah, go back. Centered, back a little bit. Yeah, go down. Brace your, yeah. No, brace yourself. That's good. Better. No, you go down. Be the resist me,
okay.
But your head is too far out.
Okay.
Yeah, just go down.
Okay.
Back.
Bow back like that.
Yeah, like that. Stay there.
Okay.
Brace. Now can you see it's more difficult?
Right.
And make these here go like that. Yeah, it's more difficult.
Right.
If you're bending like normal, it's very easy.
Right.
Huh? So you want to prepare a little bit. Go. This is just making it more difficult. So this is in with elbow. If I use my shoulder, you see that power? So Wyatt, come support your sensei, the other hand behind, this here, so that you hold him.
Press your.
Yeah, like that. Hold him. Can you see he's much stronger?
Yeah.
Okay, but I use here and not here. You see that? Yeah. You can't hold him, right? Okay, can you see how difficult? But now I use elbow and quad, no shoulder, no head. You see this here. So this is the exercise.